Everyone, today I'm gonna discuss a cue card with you. The cue card is describe a historical place that you recently visited. Let's start. I love to visit popular places. Whenever I get free time, then historical places have a special appeal to me. I have visited a few historical places including the Taj Mahal, Red Fort and so on. The place I would like to talk about is Golden Temple, which is located in Amritsar. I visited there last month with my family. Moreover, when we entered the Gurdwara Sahib, we took a holy dip in the holy pond. Further, we went inside the holy Sikh temple and bowed our head in front of the holy Sikh book. After that, we listened to holy chants there, which really kept my mind calm. After spending an hour, we went to the community kitchen to eat a community meal, and it was finger licking. What's more, I wanted to explore more about the history of Amritsar. So, with the guidance of local people, I went to Jallianwala Bagh, which is renowned there too, and we saw a historical wall, which is also known as Martyrs' Wall, because a plethora of masses died there during the war. But now, after modification, it is enclosed in a glass shell. After that, we saw the historic garden, which is totally picturesque, and there are lots of flowers and trees. We clicked lots of pictures there. After all, my explorer mind can't come, so we went to Amritsar market to explore and shop, and I bought bangles, suits, traditional footwears, and so on. In the evening, before coming back to home, I felt starving. So we ate Amritsari kulcha, which was not only well known but also scrumptious too. Eventually, it was a wonderful experience and a picturesque day of my life.